Hello, and welcome back to another gameplay video. It's been a while since I last uploaded a gameplay video to YouTube, but I'm back now, so let's jump straight in. Today I'm at Reforger Airsoft and we have been tasked with attacking a highly fortified village. My plan is to find a good hide position and take out the enemy players as they push forward from the village areas. The rifle I'm using today is a Silverback SRS, a TM MK23 and a TM Glock 17. What a shot! What a shot! There's a drop, another one. Pushed him over. Oh god, this is so fun. I get asked to help a small group of teammates as they try to stop a squad of enemy players trying to flank our position. So I head west to get them. Yeah. Oh, wicked deflection. Oh dear. threat dealt with, I'll head back east towards the village to join up with a non-bandit team as they try to take control of the village.
Hey!
Left of the hut.
Left of the hut. See the hut?
Sniper down. Brings us to the end of another gameplay video. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are in the Watford area, please feel free to give Reforger Airsoft a try. Really well run site, really good games, and if you'd like to see more videos, please feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.